Hey Zai, the directions on the other page just told us to what you had to do. You're just graphing these over here. You're graphing the mountains and you're taking that information and you're putting it in your chart. All right, so here we've got Monte Santo. So Monte Santo is 1,621 feet. So here you've got 500, 1,000, 1,500, 1,600. So all you do is just make a little bar graph of that 1,621 feet. You want to color that in. Okay. And then at the top of it, you always want to label it. Okay. That makes it look clean and nice, and it lets everybody know exactly what number. Okay, and now here for Big Oak Mountain, it's 2,008 feet. So you want to use a different color here. So, and then this one should have actually been right here. So make sure you put it in the right spot. That's a big thing to make sure, because see, if you've got it over to the left right here, well then it looks like, it looks like you don't know what you're doing. Kind of like what Miss Carrie looked like when she did that. But anyway, you always want to put it over. Let me do that so I can do it right. Take time and do it. I'm having to remind myself lately to slow down. So 1621. And it's right over. And these are the stats. Making a bar graph for Monte Santo. Okay, so... All right, and so I made sure to put the bar graph over Monte Santo. And again, it's 1,621 feet. Okay, and then you got Big Oak Mountain. Okay, so for Big Oak Mountain, it's 2,008 feet. So I want to use a different color. I'm going to use red. So 2,008 feet. So here we've got 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and then 2,008. All right, so I'm just going to draw this bar graph here and see this shows 2,008. Okay, this shows 2,008 feet. So I'm going to color it in, and you can color on Cami. Now, when you're coloring on Cami, it's kind of difficult, so I don't expect every little for every little detail to be filled in. As long as I can tell what you're trying to, as long as I can see what you're trying to show me. All right, and then we have, so I think that you can handle these last two, Lookout Mountain and Mount Cheaha. Okay, you're just going to fill those out here. And then over here on the right-hand side, it says, even though Mount Cheaha is the highest mountain in Alabama, it's not very high compared to the other mountains in the world. Use the information in the chart to graph the heights of these world mountains. All right, so Mount Cheaha, we're going to graph it again, and we're going to make a bar graph because that's how this is set up. So Mount Cheaha, 2,407. So here's 2,000, okay? And this would be 3,000 right here. Well, we want it, so 2,407 is kind of right in here. It's not all the way to the top, okay? So, and then I'm going to put 2,407 because it's 2,407 feet. And for Mount Mitchell, if you look up here, you can see that Mount Mitchell is part of the Appalachian Mountains, and the height is 6,684. So here's 6,000. And remember, we said this is 7,000. So 684 is going to be up this way because it's very close. Well, no, it's too close, actually. It's going to be right in here because it is almost at the halfway point, okay? And then I'm just going to make me a little bar here, okay? And I'm going to color it in, and actually, let's do a different color. I want to do it the right way because that's how I want you to do it, is the right way. And so I think that you can see now what it's asking for, and I'm going to let you fill out the last two. Hope you're doing good, Si. I can't wait to see you. I hope you can make our 10 o'clock meeting.